Now, ordering Domino's.
Sweet. Now you can use a tweet to order Domino's.
Are you kind of bored?
Can you see the dark?
Can you look at the king? Would you sit on his Are you cock of the walk?
When you're walking alone, when you fall on your head, do you land on your feet?
Are you tense when you sense there's a storm in the air?
Can you find your way right when you're lost in the street?
You know how to go to another side layout.
Jellicles do, jellicles do, and jellicles can. Jellicles can and jellicles do. Jellicles do and jellicles can. Jellicles can and jellicles do.
Can you ride on a broomstick to places far distant? Familiar with candle, with book and with bell. Were you Whittington's friend?
The Pied Piper's assistant. Have you been in the loveless of heaven and hell? Are you mean like minks?
Are you lean like a lynx? Are you keen to be seen when you're smelling a rat? Were you there when the pharaohs commissioned the Sphinx?
If you were and you are, you're a jellicle cat. Jellicle songs for jellicle cats. 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 We can fly through the air like a flying trapeze. We can turn all the somersaults, bounce on a tongue. We can run up a wall. We can swing through the trees. We can balance a pause. We can pull on a wire. Jellicles can and jellicles do. 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 Jellicles of the jellicle cats. Jellicles of the jellicle cats. Jellicles of the jellicle
man over there with a look of surprise, as much as to say, well now, how about that? Do I actually see with my own very eyes a man who's not heard of a jellicle cat? What's a jellicle cat? What's a jellicle cat? What's a jellicle cat?
You ain't never been hit by a real man.
Let's go home.
You'll be a year before your suspension's up.
So what brings Billy Hope to the mud jam?
I'll give you my everything. Whatever happens, you take care of your daughter. Southpaw, available now.
night. Jellicle cats, come one, come all. The Jellicle moon is shining bright. Jellicles come to the Jellicle ball. Jellicle cats come out tonight. Jellicles come to the Jellicle ball.
Jellicle cats meet once a year at the Jellicle ball, where we all rejoice, and the Jellicle leader will soon appear and make what is known as the Jellicle choice. When old Deuteronomy, just before dawn, through a silence you feel you could cut with a knife, announces the cat who can now be reborn and come back to a different Jellicle life. For waiting up there is the heavy-side lair, full of wonders one Jellicle only will see. And Jellicles ask, because Jellicles dare, who will it be? Who will it be? I have a Gumby cat in mind. Her name is Jenny Any Dots. Her coat is of the tabby kind, with tiger stripes and leopard spots. All day she sits beneath the stair, or on the steps, or on the mat. She sits and sits and sits and sits, and that's what makes a Gumby cat. That's what makes a Gumby cat.
But when the day's hustle and bustle is done, then the Gumby cat's work is but hardly begun. When all the family's in bed and asleep, she tucks up her skirts to the basement to